Alright, Shalom, I'm back with another quick video, but this video is a different type of video. This is a promotional video for our new YouTube channel, which will be 1Natural Vessel on YouTube. And basically, this channel is for health and wellness promotion specifically. On there, we'll have a lot of those projects I mentioned over the last few months coming into fruition. So we have a lot of all natural health products, as well as recipes and stuff like that. I'll have some tips for how to deal with different types of ailments. And as you all know, um, I did the detoxing system for my fibromyalgia, and that was really successful. So I currently have some other people on that detox plan, so I'll be able to go more in depth into that on that channel. Whereas for this channel, I was, still mainly focused on sharing the word, encouraging our people and stuff like that. But for those of you who are really, really interested in promotion of health and wellness and being in your best state, um, progressing and into that all natural stuff, because I feel like it's really a gift to have the knowledge, but the ministry is to share the knowledge. So this channel will be for those who are really, really into it. I have access to essential oils that are eradicated from and extracted from those countries that they originate in, which means that they have a higher potency, it's a better quality, and things like that. And for those of you who aren't aware of the benefits of essential oils and aromatherapy, and with this quality of essential oils, you're also able to ingest them for the health benefits. Um, it's really great. It's really great for natural healing and things like that. So, yeah, it's pretty much what it is. I have two ebooks out now, and they're under the Embracing Your Better series. They're on Amazon, and I printed out a cover because, of course, it's an ebook, so it's online. But this is what it looks like. And this is the second book, which is Herbal Tonics and Infused Water Detox Recipe. And my pen name is Nava B on Amazon. The first book is a DIY natural alternative to everyday products that you use, like toothpaste, laundry detergent, household cleaner, how to make body wash, and stuff like that. So, for those of us who are really into all natural, because that's definitely my niche at this point, go ahead, visit the channel, subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell so you can get, that notification to get the information quicker than just logging on to YouTube and seeing, what's new on that channel. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited for the new things that are coming. I won't give away everything in this video, but we do have a lot of great things to offer our people. So I'm really just excited about that. I just feel so blessed to be able to provide these things. And the ebooks are only $5.99. All the books, Most High Willing, will be $5.99 or less. Any book that I create, because we want to make it affordable for people, and accessible for people to actually get to utilize. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm excited. 1Natural Vessel. I'll have the name of the YouTube channel in the description box. And if you haven't been, definitely always check the description box for each video on this channel, because oftentimes there'll be scriptures and, other things in the description box. But for this video, I'll leave the link. Well, not the link, but I'll leave the name of the channel to you all, and I'll see if I can get the link for the books too, so you guys can check those out. But yeah, if that's your thing, definitely subscribe and welcome to this newfound journey that we're on for the betterment of our people. We want to do it most effectively with the very best that we have to offer, but we also want it to be accessible to our people. So, yeah, that's what it is. All right, all praises. Until next video. Shalom.